Hello everyone. You could hear the explosion from 105 miles away, and the ash column shot up into the sky for about 15 miles. This is what the eruption of the volcano Hunga Tonga in Polynesia looks like. Tourists hesitate to drive on because this is something you don't see every day. A storm made this waterfall in India flow horizontally. One sunset, two sunsets, and now... Oh, what are the odds of capturing something like this on camera? Volcanic eruptions are common in Hawaii, but sights like this are a rare occurrence even there. A quick example of how incredibly hot it can get in Dubai. The light show you're about to witness was actually created by artists, but you'll be amazed by the fantastic result. We only see part of the rainbow below, but it actually looks like this.
Wow! Siap bawah! Ah! Wow!
It's as if these dolphins are intentionally posing for the perfect video. You just saw a bowhead whale breathing under the ice. Welcome to Iceland. A mesmerizing and majestic scene, the tide on the Chiantang River in China. This is the perfect place to film the new Mad Max movie. This is what the door to the underworld looks like. A gas crater that's been burning non-stop for over 50 years. Can mini tornadoes be scarier than regular tornadoes? Yes, if they consist of mosquitoes, several of them hit this town at once. You're looking at Dettifoss, Europe's most powerful waterfall.
Просто смотри. Офигеть. Жесть вообще.
That moment when you truly understand how minuscule we are compared to the vastness of the natural world. Leave a comment below if you have an explanation for this. If you think hail like this can't happen in real life, check out this video from Minnesota.
Skid me. Look at the sun coming through that little spot. Oh my god, look at these greens. Look at these. I know, but look at these greens. It's just annihilated.
You can catch a glimpse of the northern lights in various parts of the world, but take a moment to admire their stunning brightness in Lapland. At this point, the cameraman realized he picked a bad day for fishing.
Right near me. Do you see this? If it's coming for you, it's coming for you. This one.
Due to high winds, this waterfall flows in the opposite direction. This pal filmed a whole army of leafcutter ants carrying their leaves. The landscape in Greenland can change in an instant. This seems to be the border between two worlds. This crystal clear sound is even more remarkable than the river's power. In the Maldives, after dark, the bioluminescent plankton works its magic, turning the ocean into Pandora from Avatar. No, aliens have nothing to do with that. Creating this kind of disk relies on a rare alignment of several factors: the right temperature, water depth, and movement speed. One of the reasons to visit Patagonia.
You guys, that's all crickets. They're cannibals, so they eat the dead ones. Oh my god.
No, but none are right here. I chased them all the way.
This is crazy.
And that's just a fraction of the millions of Mormon crickets that have infested Nevada. If hell does exist, this is probably what it looks like. A wingspan of 10 feet from tip to tip. Say hello to the Andean condor, the biggest flying bird in the Americas.